Hey guys, we're live again. Now it's 6:58. I got 10 spots on this one that I'm going to copy and go up over to random here in just a second. We're playing for the three bounty hunter buddies, Fett and his compatriots there, Dengar and Bosk. I'm going to copy and paste our list of 10 spots here at random to find our winner and roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go to determine who that winner is. 12 is the number. We are maxed out. Good luck, guys. A lot of jumbling around here. Jimmy, round 1. Trey, 2 and 3. Jimmy, Trey for round 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. A lot of Trey here. Trey, round 9. Don on round 10. Trey again in our penultimate round, round 11, with number 8, bringing us to the only one that really counts, the last one. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our bounty hunter winner is Trey Frederick in at number 6. Congrats, Trey. Had a lot of spots there. TNZ URN's our verification. Trey in at number 6 is the victor. I'm done. That's 6:59 p.m. There it is. There's our results one last time. Trey's the champ. See you next time, guys. Thanks.